model, 60-plate IVECO daily 2.3 HPI MOT'D automatic chassis cab recovery. Body, blue, white, chassis cab. Mileage, 127626. MOT, 21 March 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AC. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox will not select gears, gear shifter seems to be the issue. It runs great, just will not select gears. This was driving and still will, but only when it wants to. Fault code relates to the gear stick itself, but someone will know more. Thinking face, when it drives brilliantly, but at the moment, it's not selecting any gears. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 3 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in